day, everybody. This is day 3 of our trip. I wasn't able to vlog yesterday, it was too difficult. We're going to go meet up with Donald and Nick. They went to the beach while I went to go work out. They need a lift. But yeah, what better day to go to the beach than this beautiful, sunny LA Monday. Boy, I can't wait to get there. It's looking great out here. Oh my gosh, how could you not want to be here right now? You're mental if you don't want to be at the beach right now. It's beautiful out here. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. I love it here. It's very nice outside too. It's like a good 71, 72 degrees. Beautiful. I found him. Didn't answer my call. Had to look for him. Oh, it's so nice here. It's very nice here. Hey, it's very nice here. Hey, thanks for answering my call. I tried to call you to find you.
Yeah, I never answered this call.
Yeah, I know. Oh, this is really nice. Really nice. I just made a beach chair. See it very well. Look at this view though. Oh goodness. This is so nice. Sweet. Right. About to eat at some Mexican place. What? No, I looked at a menu. Eating at some Mexican place. I really got in hungry. I cannot wait to eat this food. They got huge chips. That's all. They're tostadas. Huge tostadas, apparently.
We're the smartest eaters.
Can't wait to eat. Look at that. Someone looks way better than mine. Oh, I'm too hungry though. That's true. Well, we're off to Santa Monica now. I'm gonna walk all the way there from Venice. It's gonna be fun. Hopefully see some cool stuff. It'll be tight. Yeah. Oh, that's super awesome. Very pretty, guys. There it goes, it's setting. It's going. It's almost there. I love how you can slowly see it move. There it goes. Almost gone. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you later. It's out of there. It's out of here. Well, good seeing you today, son. See you tomorrow, I guess. About to walk up to Santa Monica now. I got about a mile and a half, 2 mile walk. But it's gonna be worth it. Can't even see it from here. Oh my gosh. Walked on over to the pier after like 2 miles of walking. I'm so tired. But at least I'm here. Sweet. It's supposed to be downtown Santa Monica, I guess. I found Nick and Donald.
They said there's some sort of like
What up?
Aztec relation way back. But
Really?
my dad's side of the family, like, if you look, I think, like, just like one or two branches, like, we're pretty Mexican.
Really?
Mom's side of the family were like straight from
Like
England.
Yeah.
the vlogs are like 30 minutes long.
Yeah. That's cool, Nick. That's cool. What did you guys do? Now we're in this little mall that's like outside on a street. Is it expensive, Nick? Is it?
It's an eco.
Oh my god. What the heck? What in the heck? This place is pretty tight. Bunch of cool stuff. Bunch of cool stuff. I got my jacket around my neck. It's too warm out now.
Hey, bro, can you hold the other side of your jacket?
You trying to do this again? This is gonna fucking fall off. Gee, there you go. You hold it. Use it. Pretty tight. Woo. What are they called? Hey, what are these called? These little dinosaurs. I forgot.
Their layman term name is a long neck.
Oh.
I think
Wow.
it's like a potosaurus, something like that. I don't know.
Hippopotasaurus?
No, a potosaurus.
There's no way. It starts with a B.
Oh, probably a brachia. I don't know.
A brachialis is a muscle. Don't die.
Yep, it's-
Woo. Oh boy. Oh boy. And flying past Nick. Hey. Hey. Oh my god, people. Woo. 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 That's pretty fun. Oh shit. Okay. And we're done. Oh. All right, guys, that's our night. We just took a lift on home. We're gonna go home, back in, basically pack. We're leaving LA tomorrow. We're doing PCH tomorrow. We're going up that, stopping somewhere near Big Sur and camping. That's gonna be really fun. We're gonna see a lot of cool places, a lot of beautiful scenery.
We're hitting San Luis Obispo and Hearst Castle tomorrow.
Yes, it's gonna be very interesting. You should definitely check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's vlog. I'm just starting these things out. I'm learning how to do them.
We promise it'll get better.
Yes, we do promise it'll get better. If you thought yesterday that all the vlogging while driving bullcrap, what is this? Why are they filming this? I thought that too once I watched it. I didn't realize when I was filming until I edited it and I was watching. Yeah, it's kind of silly. Like I said, I'm learning how to do this. I'll get better. I basically just filmed all the cool stuff we did today, and it was a lot shorter, a lot better. I think it'll be good. Yeah, I'm basically just signing off now. We're gonna go back in and pack, as I said, and that's basically our night. Please like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends and family about this. I truly just want people who would enjoy seeing these see it.
Should have cut like 30 seconds ago.
Nah, dude, I need to tell everyone.
Thank you for sharing your trip with us, guys.
Yes, thank you for sharing our trip. You guys have a good night. We'll see you later.